Hey everybody, so this is a basic video today of me using a 14-inch bob wig lace front provided by me for my client. I'm gonna actually be lightening the knots. I don't like to say bleaching, that's for clothes. So I'll have links below for the hair and for the products that I use, and also for the very cute hot pink canvas that I'm struggling with to put the wig on. First you want to flip it inside out, and you're also going to see me take T-pins, and you're going to see me put them in the lace to secure the wig onto the canvas head. One thing I didn't do first that I normally do is like spray water or use a wax stick to bring all the hairs towards the back, because when you are applying the lightener, you don't want to get any lightener on any of the stray hairs, because you will then have to go back in with semi-permanent color or rinse, whatever you call it, and you will have to fix the lightened parts of the hair, and you'll have to make them darker. And if you're making money while doing this, you don't want to create extra processes for you to have to go back and do. So try to work smarter and not so much harder. So right now I'm just pretty much trying to get the hairs out of the way. And once I get the hairs out of the way, I can proceed. So right here I have a duck clip, that silver clip, and I'm trying to put the hairs back. But to go ahead and not waste any more time, I went ahead and unsecured the wig and just pushed the hairs back, and then resecured it. So that's really what this little time is here, of me struggling, and pretty much just trying to get the hair all back. And I finally did it, succeeded. And then after I did it, I moved on to the next step. The next step was to go ahead and take my Redken Flash lifts and my 20 volume by Prolific, and I mixed it together. The consistency was way too thin, didn't like it, made it thicker. You always want to use thick lightener when you're putting it on the knots of the wig. I usually like to use thick lightener in general because you always want to coat the hair. You want to paint. I'm using my Pravana paintbrush. I really love it for things like this, and balayage is very good. It totally coats the hair when you're lightening. So you know, you don't want to apply much pressure when you're doing this, and you never want to use anything higher than 20 volume. I can't stress that enough. You don't want to damage the hair. And then after you rinse this, you're going to leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. After you rinse it, you're going to use neutralizing shampoo, whichever one of your choice, because we definitely changed the pH balance of this hair by using lightener. Any chemicals changes the pH balance, so you want to go ahead, neutralize it, and bring it back to 5.5, which is where it's supposed to be. I hope that this video was helpful. Right now, all I'm doing is continuing to place the lightener onto the knots. Like I said before, it's very simple. This is one of the easiest parts of preparing your lace for your customers, for your family, for yourself, for whoever. This is the most crucial part, but it's also the easiest part. I feel like anyone can bleach the knots, and like I said, if you mess it up, you want to go back in with semi-permanent color. Most virgin hair is a natural brown color, so you're just going to go ahead and get the darkest brown semi-permanent color that you can find. Be sure to add me on Instagram at Jazz Academy Hair, that's 1Z, and ask any questions that you like in the comment section, and I promise I will answer them to the best of my ability. Whatever videos you want me to post next, just let me know.